This is Cinnamon. He's
about to poop.
No, he's not. Is he? No, he's not.
Okay.
All right, ready? Ready, Cinnamon? All right. Ready for your hamster obstacle course? All right. Come on. Come on. Get out. Come on. All right. Whoa.
Ooh. Really?
Well, he did that.
Hamster hanging upside down.
Alright. No? Come on, go.
That was scary for him. Through the tunnel.
Don't tell me. Is he peeing? He peeing? No, he's not. Alright, go. Go through. Alright. Now, go up the stairs. Alright, let me help you. There we go. Oh, no. No, no, no. Come on, just keep.
Up the stairs it goes.
Now, ready? Jump! Come on, you did it before. It's alright. Come on, do your jumpy. You probably don't remember. Just do it. You'll be fine. Jump, jump. Whee!
Yay.
Now, go in your housey.
It's your house.
You did it! Yay!
And
You want to go backwards now? All right. Jump. Ah, jump. Yeah, booty.
wait, Abby. Left. Oh.
Yay!
The stairs crumbled and he escapes. Ah!
Well, that was a new trick. Escape. Jump. We go in the box. We go.
Careful with him. Hey, Cinnamon.
All right, Cinnamon. We'll
Take
go home now.
a bow.